Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in repeatable conditions. Choose a flat, low-traffic stretch and set your seat and mirrors exactly. Once done, power sensors and zero the accelerometer so gravity and bias are removed. Make sure the data logger runs at 100 HC and name files with date and run number. Begin with slow, controlled inputs, light throttle and gentle steering, to capture baseline motion cues. This first pass gives you clean reference data to compare against later, so do it carefully. Now you gather the middle phase data, controlled maneuvers that reveal vehicle dynamics. First, do throttle ramps at defined percentages over 1 to 3 seconds to map longitudinal response. Then perform lane changes with precise heading changes to capture lateral acceleration and yaw. After that, run braking sequences across several intensities and record brake pressure and ABS flags. Throughout, call out timestamps and conditions so you can later align sensor streams. Finish by consolidating and validating your dataset. Run each maneuver multiple times and compute average and variance for acceleration, yaw rate, and steering response. Then sync IMU and video within 10 milliseconds to confirm cue alignment. Use a clear sync event like a hard brake or marker flash. If cues disagree, troubleshoot immediately. Inspect sensor mounts for looseness, verify power and grounding, and correct any clock offsets. Once resolved, you'll have reliable motion cues ready for analysis or simulator tuning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.